In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell on Etsy without inventory. A lot of people are selling on Etsy and they don't have items in stock and they are doing a business called dropshipping. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys what is dropshipping right now. Now, for example, you go to AliExpress, you find an item. Also, I'm going to show you the mistakes that you should never do if you are selling on Etsy without inventory. Okay. Now after that, let me explain to you. Okay, now a lot of people are selling, like I said, on Etsy without inventory. They go to AliExpress, they find a random product there, they list it on Etsy. If someone buys it from them, then they go to AliExpress and they buy it instead of putting their own address. They put the customer's address and they send the item directly to the customer on Etsy, the Etsy customer. Now they send the item directly to the customer, and then you keep the profit. Now I'm going to explain to you how this business works, also how you can list products from AliExpress, how you can find winning products. I'm going to explain to you guys every single thing right now. Now what you need to do, guys, first is you just want to find, like I said, products from AliExpress and list them on Etsy. I'm going to explain that to you right now. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, you want to open a shop on Etsy if you don't have an account already. Now, the mistake that you should never do is listing products that are not handmade, because Etsy you can only list handmade products. So make sure you list something like this or something like this. Okay, now when I first started doing Etsy dropshipping, I literally listed something like electronic thing, and I forgot that Etsy you can only list handmade products. So make sure you only list handmade products, because otherwise your account will get banned. Now, if you want to start listing items and finding winning products, I made a video specifically about this topic, about how to dropship from AliExpress to Etsy. Now this is very easy. You just want to click the video on the screen and leave a like, and you will be able to learn this business. It's very simple, and you can start this business and you can change your life with Etsy dropshipping. A lot of people are making over $100,000 every single month on Etsy doing dropshipping. A lot of people are dropshippers on Etsy, but they don't realize that, because they make the pictures, they edit the pictures, they make them unique. So I hope, guys, you click on the video and start your journey with Etsy dropshipping. Drop a like.